In this video, you are going to learn how to create cinematic bars in Premiere Pro. These cinematic bars differ from person to person. You can always change the values even after creating them. Just follow the steps I'm showing in this video and you will never forget how to do it again. So, right after opening Premiere Pro and creating your project file, first import the footage into the timeline with the appropriate sequence settings. Now, create a new adjustment layer by right-clicking on the project panel and then choose New Adjustment Layer. Drag and drop this adjustment layer on the top of your video clip. This is how it looks. At this point, nothing has changed. To make it cinematic, we need to apply one effect called crop. Go to the effects panel and search for the crop effect. Now drag and drop this effect onto the adjustment layer. Next, open the FX control panel. From here, adjust the values of the crop. We only need to change the values of top and bottom to create the cinematic bars. Sometimes I use 6% crop, sometimes 8% and sometimes even 12%. It all depends on the look you want. Now here is the important part. Instead of applying this crop effect directly to the video layer, I applied it to the adjustment layer. Why? Because this way we can still change the position of the video clip below the adjustment layer without disturbing the bars. Not only that, if you are working with multiple clips, adding this adjustment layer on the top of all of them makes your workflow faster and easier. That's it guys. This is how you can create cinematic bars in Premiere Pro.